what to do when your DeWALT drill chuck is stuck open. And you can see that here, our DeWALT drill chuck is stuck open. Now there's a few things we need to do first. We need to go into drill mode here. This gives us the most power, and we want to set this to setting 1 here on the top. This makes the drill a little slower and a little more easy to control. And then you don't want to grab this section here. As we've just seen, this controls what setting our drill is on. We want to select this end piece here. This is the chuck. So you want to set your drill down on a bench, and you want to make sure this tab is pushed out towards you. Set our drill down, grip it firmly, and grip the chuck firmly. Remember, not this section, this front section here. Then slowly press the trigger, and that should release the chuck. As we can see, it may be a lot tighter than this, so what I'd recommend doing, is spraying some WD-40 or things like that into the end here. Just a little spray, and that hopefully will help release the stuck chuck. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.